Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to disable keyboard click sound on iPhone running iOS version 14.2. So this is my iPhone device. So let's start. So first of all you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and also let me show you guys first that I have iOS version 14.2 installed on this iPhone device. So let me tap on this general, and then let me tap on this about, and you can see guys here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.2 installed on this iPhone 10R. So let me go back again. So in order to disable keyboard click sound on iPhone, what you need to do, you have to open your settings app, and after that guys you have to tap on this sounds and haptics. So let me tap on this, and I have this sounds and haptics screen opened. So on this screen you have to scroll down at the very bottom, and you can see here I have this a keyboard clicks. So you can see currently I have this toggle enabled. So in order to disable this, just tap on this toggle next to this keyboard clicks and move this slider to the left. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now disabled. So it's now done guys. After that you can close your settings app. So let me close that. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.